Welcome back to Paul I. Ford. I again am Robert Milks, a product specialist, and today we are going to be marqueing this 2022 F-250. Now the F-250 is just one of the Super Duties that you can get, 3/4 ton up through F-450, F-350s, depending on what you're looking for and what you need the truck to do. This one is kind of a middle of the road trim level. The trim levels with the Super Duty start at an XL, go to an XLT, a Lariat, a King Ranch, a Platinum, and then a Limited. This one, nicely equipped, and form meets functionality. The new 2022 F-250, and so from 2017 on, all the body panels are the aircraft aluminum. So serious strong, serious lightweight, more horsepower, more torque than its predecessors. This one here currently has the 6.7 V8 diesel engine in it, which has about 475 horsepower and 1,050 foot-pounds of torque. One of the other engines that's the marquee is a 7.3 that used to be the diesel engine. Now it's a gas engine with 430 horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque. And then you have the 6.2, which is a standard engine, which has 385 horsepower and 430 foot-pounds of torque. So with this one, lighter function, 2 forward-facing cameras. So this is just part of the technology built into the new Super Duty trucks. Both the cameras work in conjunction for active braking, collision avoidance, lane keeping system, as well as a camera that will read what your speed is on your built-in navigation. So this one, being a Lariat, comes with retractable running boards. The benefit to the retractable running boards, they are lower than the standard running boards, making it easier to get in and out of the truck. Part of that, with the technology that's built into the truck, you have collision avoidance, lane keeping, active braking, an 8-inch monitor, which will double as your driver information center, and it also now houses the owner's manual. Other features that this truck has internally: dual climate control for his and her side of the truck, heated as well as cooling seats. The back seats in this particular model are also heated, but if leather is not what you like, you can also get them equipped with cloth seating surfaces. Also, with this truck, since 2017, you have a reconfigured hitch and a weight savings, and some of the weight savings was put back into the frame of the truck, so you still have a fully boxed frame and a more rigid ride. Very comfortable. Form and functionality again at the back of the truck. You have a no-drop tailgate with a built-in step, which will allow you to get easier access to things that are in the bed of the truck, easier on the knees and the back. Following it around to this side of the truck, you have the 2-tip chromed exhaust, back seats that have storage, and the storage is a lockable compartment. The mirrors are not only power extending, but power folding. This is just a new look at the 2022 Super Duty. The F-Series has been the #1 selling truck for 44 years. If you want to see this one or have other questions about any other Ford product, by all means call me, Robert, 989-224-5380, or stop in at the dealership.